guys, welcome back to our computer skills training series. I'm super excited you are here because today we are diving into the amazing world of Microsoft Word. Whether you are typing your first document or brushing up your skills, this lesson is going to be fun, practical, and super beginner friendly. So grab your laptop and let's begin. Now, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to open Microsoft Word, navigate the interface, type and format text, and save your first Word document. I'll begin by opening my Microsoft Word. So you click on your Start button, which is bottom left corner of your screen, or you can type Word in the search bar to open it. So click on the Microsoft Word app, then it opens. Now, before we begin, you see a blank document here. So you can decide to go with a blank document, or if you want a template, depending on what you are designing, you can go for business cards and you see thousands of templates here, or you can just stick to the blank document. So let's stick to the blank document for now. So this button is the minimize button. Then we have the maximize, then the next thing is to understand the interface. So when you open your Word document, you can see the title bar. This is the title bar. It shows you the title or the name of your document. Then we have the ribbon. This is the ribbon. This whole thing is the ribbon. This The ribbon is where the tools live. So you can have font size, color, alignment, and all. We'll look into that into details. Then we have the tabs. These are tabs: home, insert, design, page layout, references, mailings, review, view. They are all together called tabs. And each tab has different tools. The insert tools are different from the home tools, and same as the design and the rest. Then we have our document area. This is your blank canvas where you type. So this is your typing area, as you can see. So whatever you want to type, you do it in this area. Then the next thing is the status bar. This is at the bottom and it shows you your word count or your page number. Yes, and it also gives you your view, your view layout, how you want to view your document. Let's type something. So I'm going to type, this is my, we are going to try out formatting. So now before you format, you have to highlight your text. So we'll highlight this text. Then when we come back to the ribbon, you see the font. In the font section, you can see bold, italic, and underline. So I'll go with bold. So you see my text is now bold. Or when you hover over it, you see the keyboard shortcut. So if you don't want to use your mouse to do this, you can still capture this keyboard shortcut in mind and use it when you want to make your text bold. Same as italic. Sorry. So we can make our text italic also or underline. So I've combined all the three here. Now you can change the font size also. This is the font size button. So you can change the font size as well as the font, any one that you want to use. And this is our A with the color bar. It's called the font color. The font color. So this text is in black. So if I want to make it a different color, I'll go with the font color, which is the A with the color bar. I can change this to red. So this is um after formatting your text per your preferences, then you go to the file, you see info, new, and the rest. We'll talk about it later, but let's go to save. And last, in our previous lessons, I told you that if you want to save your document for the first time, you use Save As. So you use Save As, then you choose the folder in which you want to save it in. Or if you can't find it here, you want to save it in a different location, you go to the browse, then you name your folder. Or you go to browse, then you name your documents. Let's say mine first web doc. So you see it's already in the Word document extension. The extension you have to use is Word document, and it's already in that extension. So you just go to where you want to save the file, say 28th day, then I save it in there. So that is it for today.